Hey all you Ristaholics, the day has finally come where I'm finally going to do an unboxing video for the iPhone 5C. So let me just open this up real quick. I swear I've been so excited for like this package for like a week now. Yes. So the first one we have here is a green iPhone 5C, which is mine. Me and my mom both got one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because this is actually my very first iPhone I've ever gotten. And this is what it looks like. Just to prove that this ain't a fake. Yeah, iPhone 5C, and it's a green. Yeah, I'm just so happy today. I've been waiting for these like so long now. And now, and my mom got one also. She's got a blue iPhone 5C. And there you go, just to prove that I'm not lying. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to do like a short little unboxing video for these because again, I just was really excited and I just want to share this with you guys. So yeah, so I got a blue one and a green one, and hopefully I can record some videos with mine. So hopefully, and so guys, thanks for watching, and I will see all you dudes in the next video. Bye bye.